This ergonomic standing L desk is an advanced electronic height-adjustable 2-level desktop desk with a dual-monitor VESA mount stand, bottom shelf, and rolling casters. Its desktop edges are fitted with moldings, and the desktop surface is laminated to give its users the ultimate premium comfort. This adjustable standing L desk gives good physical health benefits to its users by allowing them to work sitting or standing, which helps with avoiding long periods of being sedentary, which have negative effects on physical health. This workstation enables users to move freely, which decreases their body muscle pains and improves blood flow, thus keeping them comfortable through long hours of work. For more details, click the link to the product page in the video description.